guys, welcome back. Christina Kelvin here as usual. I want to say thank you so very much for clicking on this video to watch. Yeah, today your girl is gonna be doing something different from the usual. Yes, your baby girl is in the kitchen and I'll be showing you guys how I normally make use of my air fryer to air fry my protein, whatever, be it fish, be it turkey, chicken, beef, these days, as per the Fit Farm family that I belongs to, started using air fryer for my protein. It's not just protein I use air fryer for, any actually. I'll be showing you some other meal prep that I use my air fryer to prepare. There are a lot of things you can actually do with your air fryer. Really, there are a lot of things you can do with it. So today I'll be showing you guys how I normally make use of my air fryer to air fry my fish. And I must confess, this is always yummy. I mean, you can never go wrong with air frying your fish. Okay, so enough of my story. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing I do is season my fish or whatever protein I'm using. And can you take your guess? What kind of fish is this? Do you guess right? Okay, let me know what actually came to your mind when you saw the fish at first. What do you think it is? Well, anyways, this is actually tilapia fish. For those that didn't know what it is tilapia. It is what it is. So this is tilapia fish. Actually, this is tilapia fish, guys. And so this is what we're gonna be having today. I have some seasoning powder. I'm going to be going in with some seasoning powder, and toss it around because I really want all the seasoning. I want the seasoning to go into the fish, so I'm gonna massage it in very well. I hope you can see how I'm doing it. I massage it in well, massage it in well. Massage it in very, very well. Guys, be careful whenever you're doing your tilapia fish. Be careful of the bones. As you know, for those that are used to tilapia fish, it's so bony. So after tossing it in well, I want to go in with some salt. Okay, I'm gonna marinate this and let it stay. I'm going with some salt. Don't want it. So we're gonna so we're gonna cover this and leave it to stand for like 10 minutes so that all the seasoning will penetrate very well into the fish. All right, okay, so after 10 minutes we'll come back. While waiting for my fish, I'm gonna be preparing my air fryer actually. Okay, so what I love to do most of the time is that I love to line my air fryer pan with some onion or some lemon or lime. Number one thing that will do is that it will prevent sticking, to prevent your your fish or your whatever protein you're using, to prevent them from sticking to the pan. So it won't directly be on the pan. If you have lemon, all good. If you have onions, but right now I do not have lemon, so I'm making use of onions, and apart from preventing sticking, it will also, onions now, it will definitely or probably lemon, whichever one you're using, to release flavors too. So that means, oh my god, all the flavors are going right into your face. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm prepping my air fryer pan so that to avoid story that touches, because it would be so disheartening for my for my fish to stick and then break. Nah, you don't want that. You don't want fish breakage. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. Okay, now it's 10 minutes, and so I'm going to be going in with my tilapia fish. Okay, guys, let's go in. Oops, let's see how big, guys. Did you see anything there? So that means I'm going to be doing this twice, because things up before at times. It's just because I'm putting this inside stew. I'm going to be making some stew with this. So in case you would like to eat it directly, you can always garnish this up. Sprinkle on it some pepper, bell pepper, diced bell pepper, carrot, and some other things just to spice things up for your taste, to your satisfaction, alright? To how you will love it to be. So this is actually going into my stew, so no need to do too much paparazzi. Taking it in. So I'm gonna be setting this to 20 minutes. Then I will take my, let me take this to like 180 here. Alright, so once it's 20 minutes, we'll come back to check. Okay, so here is what we have after 20 minutes of air frying our tilapia fish on one side. As you can see, the fish is looking yummy. Well, for those that will actually love to glaze the fish, probably with some oil, you can go ahead and do so, but your baby girl does not like oil. Okay, so I love it like this. Can you see that? Okay, so I'll flip to the other side now, and set our hair fryer to another 20 minutes, and then we'll be done. Yay! Can you see that? Yes. So this fish has spent another 20 minutes on this side of the pan, or on this other side, and as you can see, come on guys, can you imagine? No oil, no glazing, nothing, no brushing with oil, just the fish alone. What air fryer does is that it allows the fish to release its own oil. So when you are air frying, what we are doing literally is that you are using the oil in your protein sauce to fry the protein. I don't know if that makes sense, but actually that is what we are doing. Every protein has fat locked up within them. So what I just did is use the oil locked up inside, the fat rather locked up inside the fish, to fry it. And come on, yeah. Okay, it's time for dinner. Bring your plate to let's eat fish. What do you think, guys? This is looking so yum. I mean, if you serve this, will you even believe that there's no oil added? Will you believe that this fish is not being fried? No, really, just look at this. Just look at it. So if you're thinking of losing some fat, losing some weight, one of the healthy ways in which you can lose weight is by reducing unhealthy fats in your food. Okay,
And one of the ways in which you can reduce what's it called, unhealthy fat in your food is by frying your protein, steaming your protein, or boiling your protein. You can also broil your protein. All right, so please, let's just do away with frying up of our protein. It's a no for anybody. Even if you are the skinny type, it's not an ideal one for anybody. Please, let's reduce the way we consume vegetable oils, whatever oil it is. Let's just reduce the way. There are better ways in which we can actually prepare our food that will not require us using so much oil. Oil is actually not good in any form. So okay, we've come to the end of this video, guys. As you see, our fish is ready. Okay, so till I come your way next time, guys, stay healthy and keep doing you.